Hi, hello, my 5th standard kids. Welcome to English class. Let us start our second unit lesson with a small poem, The Swimmer. Hope we have finished the first unit fully. Let us move on to the second unit. Okay, all know about the swimmer. Who is a swimmer? All of us love to swim in the water in the hot summer season. Okay, so let us learn about the swimmer here. Who is a swimmer? A swimmer who swims in the water. Okay, how they do the athletics in the ground, in the land. They do the water racing in the water as a swimmer. Okay, so they are called as swimmers. We have seen them in the Olympic Games, Asia Net Games, all that we have seen them swimming in the water and winning prizes. So like that, the swimmer. Here is we are talking about one swimmer. Let us see how she is. She stands still and tall. She swims greater than all. Okay, she is standing in the edge of the water pool. Okay, where the swimming pool is. She is standing edge of that, standing tall, waiting for the whistle to be blown. Okay, she seems greater than all, and with great confidence wanting to go into the water. She is standing right in front of the water waiting for the whistle to be blown. And once the whistle is blown, she dives like a fish inside the water. To be like her, one can only wish. Okay, we can only try to wish, because she has practiced and learned the art of swimming inside the water. So she knows how to swim like a fish inside the water. We can only just see, because we don't know how to see the how to go for swimming inside the water. So we can only know how she is swimming. Okay, she swims with perfect light. Her strokes are like dancing light. Okay, she's like a perfect flight, like a aeroplane, how she will be flying perfectly, and she's swimming like that, it seems. Her strokes are like a dancing light. Dancing lights are like the disco lights, which will go on for the glittering lights. Have you seen them, lights twinkling? So like that, the lights are going. Okay, then she breathes air and drips across the water with flair. She breathes air means she's coming out of the water, and she's breathing air and going inside continuously up and down, because she has to breathe and go inside the water, because we all know inside the water we can't breathe. When we breathe, it will take inside the water, will go inside our body, so we will be collapsed. So we cannot take air inside the water. So she comes out of the water and she breathes air and drips across the water with flair. So the water, when she's going inside the water, she can go fairly inside the water very fast. Up ahead, the audience cheer. Outside the water, all the audience are looking at her and cheering her up by clapping hands. Okay, and cheering up, shouting at her name, calling out her name, and asking her to do it fast. She knows that the finish line is near. She knows that the finishing line is very near to her. Okay, she picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. So she picks up the pace. Okay, and she is wanting to go fast inside the race. Okay, then she wants to pick up from others and go fast in the race. Then, straining with all her might, full of her energy, she is pushing out the water. She never gives up the fight. Okay, she doesn't want to give up the fight. Okay, she wants to strain her whole body, fully push it up the water and fight for her this thing. As she reaches the wall, her name was as winner they call. When she comes to the finishing line of the swimming pool, she was called by name and she was announced as winner. So this is the poem, The Swimmer. Okay, she reaches the wall. She has to touch the wall in the finishing line, and then her name will be called as the winner. Okay, this is a poem, children. We will learn about the glossary and the fill-ups, everything. I will give it to you in the PDF form. You can write and learn. Okay, make sure that you learn the poem well. Thank you. Bye.